Topic 8, polygons. In this unit we'll learn how to state the names of special polygons, define the term polygon, state the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, calculate the angle of an exterior of a regular polygon, and calculate the interior angle, apply the properties of polygons to solving relevant problems, calculate the sum of the interior angles for any polygon, use the formula n minus 2 times 180 for the sum of interior angles, and define and use tessellation. Basic polygons. A polygon is any closed shape which is made up of all straight lines. The specific name for polygon depends how many sides it has. So that's a polygon, that's a polygon, and that's a polygon. So it's a shape that's got straight sides and it's closed, which means it would have a solid area contained inside it. So a three-sided shape is called a triangle, and that's coming from tri, meaning three, and angle, so we've got three angles. Four-sided shape, quad, is our prefix for four, so it's a quadrilateral. Five is pent, and it's a pentagon. And then six is hex, the prefix, so hexagon, and that's common in a lot of different arenas. Seven is heptagon. Sometimes people refer to it as septagon, but quite often that's maybe more of an older word. Heptagon is generally what's considered a seven-sided polygon, and an eight-sided polygon is an octagon. Obviously we're familiar with the prefix of oct from octopus and other words. A regular polygon has all sides and all angles are the same. So all the sides and the angles must be equal for this to be true. So we can have sides or shapes which have sides all the same length, but because the angles are different, so this is clearly an acute angle and this one would be obtuse, it's not a regular polygon. Similarly, in a rectangle, what we have is that the four angles are all right, they're all 90 degrees, but because the sides are different lengths, then it's not regular. So we've got a few examples of regular polygons. A three-sided shape is called an equilateral triangle, and what we know is that all three sides are the same length, and to denote that, we normally write a single dash through each of those, and we know that all the angles are equal, and they're all 60 degrees. A square is the regular quadrilateral, and again what we have is that all four sides are the same length and all the angles are 90 degrees. A regular pentagon, again all five sides are the same length and the angles are all equal as well, and they are all 108 degrees. And a regular hexagon, again all the sides are the same length and the size of the angles are all equal and they're 120 degrees. And this can be extended up to any number of an n-sided shaped polygon. So a polygon with n sides.